The President Washington 100-watt SWR Calibration and Protection. SWR protection is a very important feature designed to protect your radio from unintentional changes in your SWR that could damage your radio. To set the SWR level protection, long press the push key to enter the menu. Turn the channel rotary knob or use the up-down keys on the microphone to select the SWR protection menu. Press the push key to enter this menu. The current value blinks on the display. Turn the channel rotary knob or use the up-down keys on the microphone to adjust the level. Default value is 3.0. Short press the push key to validate your changes. Short press the press to talk button on the microphone to validate and exit the menu. The Auto SWR Calibration Function allows for up to 5 minutes of audible beep tone along with a numerical value on screen indicating your current SWR. To begin the SWR calibration process, long press the rotary knob to enter the menu. Rotate the push knob to the SWR Auto function and press the knob once more to enter that function. The spacing between the beeps increases as the value gets farther away from 1.0. At 1.0, the tone becomes a steady tone. This audible tone allows you to tune your antenna or reposition a magnetic mount antenna without having to see the meter or display. Once you have achieved the best possible SWR for your radio and antenna, press the press to talk button on the microphone and exit the menu. You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.